All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening all. Okay, so welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, if this is your first time of coming across to this YouTube channel, okay, we are Brainybite tutorial. What we do in this channel is that we teach you guys everything that concerns Jamb and admission. Okay, so we also help some of our candidates secure admission. So if you have been writing Jamb over the years and you are not getting it, and you also have a very low Jamb score this time and you want to gain admission with your low Jamb score, please, I want to advise you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all the bell notification, then message me. Let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp community. I will be right there to give you my number on WhatsApp. Then you message me on WhatsApp, then you tell me all your problems. All right, so after getting to know you, I will definitely have to add you to our WhatsApp group. So there on our WhatsApp group, you will get information that concerns all your schools. You'll be meeting your fellow aspirants there in the WhatsApp group. You have access to our Post-UTME past questions, updated Post-UTME past questions free of charge. You also have access to our ongoing WhatsApp answers, NECO answers as well. Okay, so and a lot more. All right, so if you want to join us, you let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. It is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidates, so of course you can become one of us. Just let me know in the comment section that you want to become one of us. I won't hesitate to add you up there. All right, so basically, let me go straight to our video. So if you look at today, so sorry, I said let me take some water. So if you look at today on our topic, you find out that we have Rivers State University. All right, so that tells you that we are going to talk about Rivers State University. Okay, so after they just concluded Jamb UTME examination, some candidates came to me and were asking me randomly. So they were asking me about, so what's the next thing to do after Jamb UTME examination. So I told them that I won't be answering that question individually because they are much. So I told them I will basically answer the question here on the YouTube platform, so that each and every one of you guys will have to learn from there some things. Okay, so and also to the people outside there that also have this kind of question they want to ask, so that they will also learn from there. Okay, so that's my response to them. Of course, I have done that now. So if you have any further question, you also let me know. I won't hesitate to answer all of your questions. So having said that, let's continue. So we have Rivers State University. So the next thing for us to do after Jamb UTME examination, the next thing that awaits us is Post-UTME examination. That's the next thing that awaits us. So, however, some schools don't write Post-UTME examination. They only conduct internal screening. They will screen you with your WAEC results and your Jamb result. At the end of the day, they will now give you your overall aggregate. So, at that, they will now know if you meet the university admission criteria, so that for them to admit you or not. Okay, so but some schools like Rivers State University, they write Post-UTME examination. Okay, so they write Post-UTME examination. So but for those schools that doesn't write Post-UTME, it doesn't mean that you will not register Post-UTME. You have to register for the screening, and they will be the one to screen you, and you don't need to go to the school. All right, so you just sit in your house and allow them do their thing. Then you do your own, you allow them to finish up their own. Right, so but schools like Rivers State University, you have to definitely go to the school for your Post-UTME examination, because they write Post-UTME examination. Any school that writes Post-UTME examination, you definitely need to be present there and sit for the exams. Okay, but for schools that doesn't write Post-UTME examination, the only thing you have to do is just to buy the form, then be in your house, then they will do the rest and you do your own. All right, so at the end, you start seeing if you have been admitted or not. All right, so let's continue. So RSU exams is somehow tough, but not that tough. It depends, but you need to prepare. So we have Post-UTME past question for RSU. So if you join us, you'll be getting it for free. Okay, so let me know in the comment section that you want to join us, and when you join us, you're getting all of those things for free, and a host of other things you will also be getting there for free, that I will not be here to start telling you, all of you guys. All right. So now yeah, so the form is not available. I know you'll be asking, when is the form going to come out? Is it available now or not? So the form now is not available. So however, you will notify you once the form is available. So that's why we encourage you to subscribe and turn on all bell notifications, so that whenever I drop the update that the form is available, and YouTube will notify you. But for that, if you don't want to, if you are a member of our platform, you will get the update immediately. Once it's out, you get the update from there, and we can also help you to process the form. All right, so that's how it is. So we are here to make things easier for you. You don't need to stress. We make things very, very easy for you. All right, so you have to join us on our WhatsApp. So if you don't have, for those that don't have WhatsApp, so we'll have to put it out here for you guys to see. Okay, so that's basically how it is. Okay, please stay tuned. I love you guys. So if you have any further information, if you have anything, I believe I've answered this question. So if you have anything that is bothering you, want me to know, also let me know in the comment section. I'll be interested to answer all of your questions. All right, so I love and cherish each and every member of Brainybite. All right, so don't forget, we love you guys. Okay, until I see you guys again in my next content, in my next video again, don't forget, I love you. Okay, we don't lose and we don't fail. Okay, all we do is that we win, and when we win, we keep winning. So that's why I will always tell you guys to roll, keep winning. Okay, love you guys.